Hey Capricorn, this is Sai. Welcome to the channel. Today we are going to doing a reading for Capricorn soulmate connection. All that you need to know, what your person's feelings, intentions, where things are going, what to expect, and possibly what you need to know about this situation. Okay, so let's start. First three cards for you, and then we move to your person. This is going to be, relating to Capricorn, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, and North Node. So yeah, let's start. What's your overall energy going to be like for Capricorn? Okay, you guys are at crossroads. You guys are definitely looking forward. I do not see you majorly focused on the past. Okay, you guys are putting in a lot of effort into wanting to move in a certain direction. Okay, in terms of your finances, you're very much optimistic. You're very much having a positive mindset. You're wanting to expand as well. Okay, with Temperance card, I believe you're in a much more sorted place right now. I don't see you being miserable, messed up, broken. No, I see you being much more positive. Okay, in terms of what can you expect for the next 7 to 8 days? The Devil card. Why is the Devil card here, please? I hope you guys are not, like giving into addictions, alcohol, drugs, maybe, or some toxic bitch that you need to get rid of. With Wheel of Fortune, some of you guys might be finding it difficult to completely not think about someone from the past. You guys are trying to, but some days, you can recall of all the bad times that you guys have gone through. Some of you guys are still very much sexually attached to your past person. You know that you have to move forward, but you cannot let go completely. Okay, sometimes it does take time. It's a natural process. Moving on is a very natural process, and it takes due time. Okay, in terms of what's to come your way, in terms of what's to come towards Capricorn for the next couple of let's take weeks. Five of Swords. I believe you guys are thinking negatively about your relationships. Okay, I don't think it's about your finances. It's about a past person. You guys want this person to come back. Some of you might just want this person to come back to only reject them. Okay, because they rejected you. Okay, I'm getting that storyline. It may be true. It may be completely not connecting, but I do see you wanting this person to return to you, to initiate that conversation. You really want this person to make that first move. Okay, and that would end up in a small fight or a small argument. Okay, in terms of your relationship, what's the overall energy going to be like for Capricorn? We have a card already with the Magician card. So I do feel you guys are trying to manifest something new in your life. Yes, you do feel somewhat connected to the past. Maybe it's mostly sexual, but that doesn't stop you from wanting to manifest something new in your life. Okay, in terms of your person, your soulmate, Capricorn soulmate, what's the energy like? Queen of Cups. Okay, how are they thinking about you currently? How is this person thinking about Capricorn currently? This person might be closed off to you, but that doesn't mean that they have stopped thinking about you. Okay, they are holding back. I do not see them willingly taking action, or you guys being on very good terms. No, I see this person missing you a lot, definitely having feelings for you, but not really acting on it. In terms of their intentions towards Capricorn, with the Fool card, they do want to take that move. Okay, they do want to jump forward. In terms of what action is a person wanting to take, what action is this person wanting to take. Okay, we have Six of Wands, so they definitely want to give you that attention. Like, what can Capricorns expect the next 7 to 8 days in terms of action from this person? Majorly this person will make that move. Okay, with Tower card, I see a lot of changes coming in your life. Okay, one card for how do they think about Capricorn now? How does this person think about Capricorn? With the Lovers card, this person definitely wants to choose you. Now let's take a situation where this person had more than one option, or they were not so focused on you. They were focused on their work or their personal life or their family life, whatever it is. I believe this person is wanting to choose you and possibly wanting to move forward with it. Okay, in terms of how do they view you now? With the Eight of Wands, this person has lots of, I would say this person is very passionate about you. Okay, I see a lot of desire, like this person wanting to be around you, touch you, feel you, do a lot of naughty things to you. Okay, in terms of how do they view the connection now? With Three of Pentacles, they know that if they put in that work or that effort, and then you guys can definitely come back together. They are very positive about it. Okay, like what's blocking them? What's majorly blocking this person? What's majorly blocking this person is this person hasn't been taking that fast forward action. Okay, they have been very slow or stagnant or hardly been putting in effort. Okay, and that has led to the silence or the ghosting phase. Okay, in terms of their honest feelings towards you, the sun card, you make them happy, you are their sunshine. I mean, I know that sounds cheesy, but that's what I'm getting right now. Okay, with Five of Cups, they miss you a lot. In terms of their heart space, they are just trying to resist from having to completely, get all mad that you're not around, but they're still holding it together. Okay, with Nine of Cups, I definitely see this person wanting this relationship or this connection now. Okay, in terms of their headspace, they will take action. In terms of what can you guys expect for the next 7 to 8 days, where things are going for now? The Chariot card, your person will make the move, and I hope you guys will come back to tell me that your person has taken action. For all those Capricorns who are dealing with the past person who has put them into a third party, where things are going for them. With the High Priestess, your person is majorly, silent, or they have been ghosting you, or you don't know much about this person. In terms of what do they want with Capricorn now? The past person who has put you through a third party has possibly rejected you in the past, has possibly stopped talking to you, and they were very focused on something new in their life. But with Page of Pentacles, you guys can expect a message from this individual. Okay, but don't expect commitment or something strong or something solid. For those who have met someone new, with Two of Pentacles, this person has been wishy-washy, in and out. Okay, however, what can Capricorns expect? With the Hierophant card, this person is either going to give you commitment, or they are just going to, try to learn from this connection. This is like a learning phase in their life. You will end up teaching them a lot, intentionally, unintentionally. Okay, but this person for now is silent, but I do see them wanting something long term, or something solid. This person, the new person, may be slightly indecisive, but if they possibly make that move forward, and you guys develop a connection, or something going, then I do see it going forward in terms of marriage, or something that leads to forever. Okay, because I see this person wanting something solid. Okay, but they might still be having that fear, that am I choosing right, am I going too fast, or should I be taking more time before I make the move. So I see this person bit indecisive. Overall, what can you expect from someone new in your life? If this person lives at a distance, definitely expect them to message you. For a while, this person might act detached. Okay, I see this person being emotionally unavailable. Okay, overall, Capricorn, in terms of finances right now, you guys are focused. Okay, you guys might be having more than one project on mind. With Seven of Wands, you guys are staying away from anything and everything that could bring you down. Okay, with Five of Pentacles, that's the common Capricorn trait. Even if you guys are millionaires, you guys feel like you don't have enough, right? Always wanting to make more. That's good, but yeah. Okay, with Knight of Cups, I do see new business opportunities coming your way, but the next 3-4 days might be a bit off. But post 3-4 days, like post the 27th, maybe things will work in your favor. Okay, so let's take love messages now, Capricorn. What would your person really want to say to you? Okay, the past person wants to say that I'm only here for fun. Okay, this person is not wanting commitment. This person is not wanting something, that leads some way. In terms of the new person, I can't promise you long term future. Okay, so this person doesn't really want to pressurize themselves by thinking about commitments, marriage, kids, and all that. So they might not really want you to put that pressure on them. And for some of you, I'm getting that are you my twin flame past person? Okay, okay. So for some of you, just like I told you, you will end up touching them a lot with the Hierophant card. Grateful to have met you and this connection. So this person definitely is grateful for having met you because you have taught them a lot. Okay, right now I'm also getting that you might not be feeling like they are your types. Okay, for Capricorn who are dealing with someone new, but give it time. Okay, last card we have is you won't accept my real side. Okay, so your person might be having a side that they haven't really shown up. Okay, but once they do, they might have that fear that you might reject them for whatever reason. And we all have those like messed up thoughts in our mind, but let's fuck that. Okay, but yes, this is all I have for you, Capricorn, from now until the end of the month. It's mostly going to relate for the next 7 to 8 days, so it might also move towards August. So if it has resonated, kindly hit the like button. Every like counts, and I really hope you guys support me. I've been doing more readings now for Capricorns. All those who are wanting a personal reading, please do reach out on the website and book one for yourself. If you're new to the channel, please do subscribe. Thank you so much for coming in, and I hope to see you guys soon. Cheers, darling. Love you.